Hello guys, today I want to show you digital microscope mobile repairing. This is a microscope that you can see in a video. There's a light that if anyone repair the mobile, so you can repair easily by this microscope, because there is a lot of points that we can't see on our eyes, and there's a LCD that we are connected by power cable, sorry, by the VGA cable, and you can see very easily and points of boards, Android boards, and there's a cable that we connect this VGA cable with the LCD, and we can see a board's points very easily in LCD, very easily, very clearly. So you guys, you can